getting some pretty good waves. I can see whitecaps out in the channel. 1 to 2 footers sometimes. Here's a good one. I hope this isn't for 14 days. I'm not going to get as far as I want, but that's okay. I set a goal to traverse the Ohio Valley on the Ohio River, starting in Indiana. I think I'm in Ohio actually now. I'm only about maybe a quarter mile into Pennsylvania. And it's 400, not 400 miles. It's 460 from the headwaters at Three Rivers, Pittsburgh, all the way to the Ohio-Indiana border. I'm not sure if I'm the Ohio border. I'll probably put a number or whatever they do. Video people. This is my first time with the GoPro, first time with videoing. No, I don't even know. It's running right now. Screen's off. But we're getting some pretty, oh boy, oh yeah. Getting some good waves. Maybe once we get around this bend down here, it'll be a little better. I'm not getting anything in the cockpit, so if I do, I'll put my spray skirt on. I'll keep my toes warm anyway. A lot of river barges up on this part of the Ohio. I usually paddle around Portsmouth area, a little bit into Cincinnati. I don't do much cities. I'd rather be away from the hustle and bustle of that and the weirdos by the river. Let's see. Do we want to go on the outside of this barge or try to sneak around where it's quiet? Let's go sneak over here. Let's see what's behind this. Looks like calm, flat water. I'll take all that I can get right now. The wind's actually picking up more as I come closer to this bend. I noticed a lot of industry on this end of the journey. What was it? Route 7. It pretty much hugs the river up for, I don't know, 20, 25 miles. Not too many houses. So I started off, I have 52 pounds of water. I hope I don't drag right here. Uh-oh, might be a log in my way. See, we just made it. Wow. Oopsie. Scraped a little bit. Oh, wow. Yeah, she's just gonna have to be choppy. That's all there is to it. Maybe once we get down past this trestle bridge down here, it'll get better. But these waves are picking up. But this kayak, it will track pretty well through these. These big columns on the right, that's where they moor off their barges. when they're loading, offloading, what have you.